Hi mga Momshi, good morning. We are in Subic, Zambales this weekend. So, let us study God's Word. So, yung devotional natin today is Daily Hope by Pastor Rick Warren. Who cares enough to tell you the truth from the Hearing the Voice of God series pa rin ni Pastor. Yung Bible verse is from Proverbs 12 verse 15. Stupid people always think they are right. Wise people listen to advice. So sabi niya ni Pastor Rick Warren, we all have blind spots. These are things in our lives that needs correcting, but we can't always see them. So friend, ano ba yung blind spot na yan? Have you experienced having a blind spot? So sabi nga, these are things na we cannot see on ourselves, or probably we refuse to see them or accept, no? Because we don't always see ourselves clearly, and sometimes we just don't want to. Yun nga sabi ko, parang we refuse to accept them. We don't want to acknowledge the habits we've settled into that feel comfortable but keep us from growing. So it prevents us to succeed or to grow or to be mature. That's why God put people around you to tell you the truth. Everybody needs somebody in their life who loves them enough to tell them the truth. So friend, sino ba yan sa iyong buhay? May mga tao ba who cares for you? So akin, I think it's my relatives, no, my family, children, or parents, or siblings, to tell that side of you na hindi mo nakikita or refuse to see or you don't acknowledge. So but keeps us from being our better selves or being a better versions of ourselves. So ako friends, sa work, parang role ko yan as HR practitioner. You advise people or you coach people kasi you want them to improve or move forward in their roles in the company. So parang we need to be that kind of person to others. So yun, parang siguro yung role ko also. To the point na parang sa family, they are irritated na yata sa aking corrective lenses eh. Parang they feel not comfortable anymore being told what's right and what's wrong. Parang feeling nila I'm super nega na, no? I'm just being proactive to anticipating yung mga future consequences of our actions. But yun nga, some people are not appreciating that. So anyway, sabi nga ng Proverbs 12:15, stupid people always think they are right. Wise people listen to others. So friend, you just have to decipher nasaan ka ba dyan sa spectrum na yan. But sabi niya, maybe you're thinking of someone right now. You've got a friend or sibling or co-worker who's headed down the wrong path, and you see it's clear as day, but you're saying nothing. You kept silent, telling yourself it's none of your business. So friend, hindi tayo ganun. So when we see a co-worker or a relative or a family member, we speak out eh. So kaya nga minsan sabi ko kanina, parang they don't feel good about it anymore. So anyway, in what ways does spending time together with friends from your small group during the week, outside of your weekly meeting, help you build trust with each other? So yan yung coaching time. How can you know when you are ready to receive with humility counsel from others? So hindi lang yung nagbibigay tayo, we're also receiving these improvements or feedback on ourselves, and we should welcome them. When has God used someone to speak truth into your life? How did you respond? So these are questions we need to answer on ourselves. If we want to grow, to be a better version of ourselves, we have to be ready to give, to receive feedback and to give feedback as well. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.